Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME C71 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on language and region and tap on edit right here. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all languages which are pre-installed and which we can choose. So simply find yours and then tap on this plus icon next to it. Your device will ask you whether you want to set the Turkish, in my case Turkish of course, as a default system language. So just confirm it with yes. And as you can see, the Turkish language will immediately appear at the top of the list, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let's enter the languages again. Here we've got the list of all added languages, and if you've got more than one language is added here, you can simply reorder them to change the language. So let me quickly set Spanish. So just tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Confirm it, and we've got Spanish set. Let me do it again with English. Tap on it, hold it, and then drag it to the first position. And we've got English set. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on edit, and here we've got the section with all of the languages added. So just tap on this minus icon next to it, and it will simply appear on this list under it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.